Hey, this is Wade with First Tech. I'm here to talk about DroneMobile's newest product, the Drone XT. The Drone XT is our first battery-powered GPS tracker, and it's the perfect tool to keep tabs on your secondary vehicles or equipment. Today, we brought in my four-wheeler to show you an example of how this device works. Simply put, once I attach the Drone XT to my ATV, I'll get a notification on my phone anytime it moves. What makes this product special is the ability to extend the battery life. Under ideal conditions, the Drone XT battery can last up to 10 months without needing recharge. In addition to GPS tracking, the Drone XT also has a light sensor, a humidity sensor, and a temperature sensor. These are helpful if you're storing your equipment in a trailer or a shed or a garage. Let's demonstrate how the light sensor works. First, we're going to attach the Drone XT to the ATV. In this application, we're using it in the wireless mode. For this demonstration, we're going to be mounting it under the seat so we can easily demonstrate the change in light. To turn on the light sensor, you're going to open the app. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the home page. You'll see Edit Settings. Once in there, you're going to see a light sensor toggle. Go ahead and switch it on. Once your lighting conditions have been met, you're going to go to the Controls page and arm the device. So now, if the lighting conditions change, you'll receive a notification to your phone. We're going to demonstrate movement alerts. First, we're going to go into the app, go to the settings, and make sure movement alert is enabled. And now we're going to arm the device. Okay, now for a quick demonstration. Doug's going to move this out of the way. Don't run over my foot. And we get the alert. Next, we'll talk about deep sleep mode. The last two demonstrations have been using the recommended energy save mode. Deep sleep mode is the setting you want to use if you want to maximize your battery life. Please note, once you select deep sleep mode, the device will deactivate all GPS and cellular activity. Once the Drone XT detects movement, it'll wake up, send you an alert, and allow communication between the phone and device for at least 10 minutes before it goes back into deep sleep mode. When in deep sleep mode, the battery life can last up to 10 months under ideal conditions. If you're monitoring a vehicle that's going to be stationary for long periods of time, deep sleep mode is the recommended setting. If you put the Drone XT in deep sleep mode by mistake, you can shake it to wake it up. Lastly, I want to talk about the hardwire installation type with Smart Charge. When hooked up to an external power source, the Drone XT will only draw additional power when the voltage reaches 13.1 or higher. This is my preferred option when I use it a lot in the spring and summer, because whenever we ride the ATV, the Drone XT will recharge. As you can see, there are many different use cases for the Drone XT. We wanted to design a dynamic, versatile, easy-to-use piece of hardware with lots of opportunity for the user to customize. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos if you want to learn more.